Need a solution to labour-intensive, non-aggressive, intricate parts cleaning processes? Here it is, the Draper Ultrasonic cleaning tanks. Ultrasonic cleaners aren't just for automotive and household uses, but also electronic, scientific, medical, dental and other laboratory or hygiene-based industries. Our range comprises a small 600ml version that's ideal for domestic use on smaller items, with larger 3, 9 and 27 litre stainless steel tanks that can reach temperatures of up to 80 degrees centigrade for professional and commercial use. Each tank comes with a removable basket, while the larger two models benefit from a convenient drain tap. Ultrasonic cleaners are extremely effective at removing dirt and grime from intricate mechanical engine and vehicle parts, injectors, carburetors, gearbox components, jewellery with suitable gemstones, waterproof watches, glasses, coins, PCB boards and electrical components, and many more non-porous waterproof objects. These cleaners are so easy to use. Simply pour in deionised water or your chosen cleaning fluid and place the item or items into the tank. Closing the lid will maximise the cleaning process. Now set the time and temperature and press start. This process, called non-inertial cavitation, creates microscopic bubbles in the liquids that subsequently become compressed due to the higher pressure of the surrounding liquid, leading to the microscopic bubbles imploding. This implosive action then generates intense localised heat and agitation, delivering an highly effective scrubbing action on the surface of the objects being cleaned. Whatever the liquid touches, the ultrasonic cleaner will clean it, often in a matter of minutes. In the automotive industry, ultrasonic cleaners are ideal for cleaning threads, electrical items, injectors, carburetors, pumps, motors and gears, etc. Anywhere with intricate pathways that normal cleaners just can't get to. Suitable for use with water and non-volatile cleaning agents, including our own range of Draper hard graft parts washing fluid. Other cleaning concentrates can be used to improve removal of tarnished surfaces, carbon deposits and in some cases even light rust. When the process is finished, remove the item from the solution and allow it to dry. Larger items can be done a section at a time. For a more thorough action, add cleaning concentrate which improves removal of tarnish, carbon and light rust. The solution to your intricate cleaning problems: Draper Ultrasonic cleaning tanks.